welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to make a cardboard tube unicorn. They're fun, they're colorful, and they're really easy to do. Are you ready? So what you're going to need are paints, scissors, a black marker, toilet paper rolls, yarn, paint brushes and palettes, glue gun, okay, just make sure you're cleaning up after your art projects. Be creative, but don't get messy. Now I'm going to paint the toilet paper roll with the white paint. By the way guys, I'm using my mom's makeup brush. Rosie has my permission.
She has my permission.
See? I'm painting the toilet paper rolls. And I also made another one. Ta-da! Now we're going to make the tassel. And the easiest way to create the tassel is to wrap the yarn around your hands like this. Now I'm going to insert the wire inside the yarn to make it secure. Now I'm going to twist it. Next we're going to put the yarn around it. Then we're going to cut the loops. I'm gonna cut the ends just to remove the extra yarn. Now we're going to make the tails. I'm gonna use this cardboard to make a longer tassel. I already made a shorter tassel for this color. Now I'm going to make a longer tassel, just like this one. I'm going to make the ears. Let me show you how to do it. First, you cut a piece of construction paper. Then you fold it like this. Then you fold it again like this. Then we're going to cut it like a leaf shape, like this. I also made the outside. Alright, so that's how you make the ears. And I also made the foot. but not the least, the unicorn can't do magic without its horn. First, you cut a rectangular piece of cardboard. Like this. I'm going to start from the edges. Like this. Until I reach the middle. Ta-da! I'm a tiny little unicorn. So we have the mane, we have the tail, the ears, the horn, of course the unicorn's body. Now it's time to assemble a unicorn! To do the mane, and then going to put it here. My dad's helping me with the hot glue gun so I won't get burnt. There. Okay. Now I'm going to do the horn. Then the ears. We're going to put the tail. It's almost done. We just need to add the eyes, and you can add blush if you want. Ta-da! Here she is! She's complete now. And I also made her a friend. Hello! Hello! Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week. We're gonna give you a surprise. Bye! I'm going crazy. Don't video us! What? Did you just